Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got these two products from Parkside. This is the Parkside non-contact voltage tester model PSSFS 3A2. Voltage range is from 70 to 1000 volt. Frequency range is 50 to 60 Hz. Batteries included. Non-contact measurement without interruption of the power circuit. 3 years warranty. And the second is the socket tester model PSSFS 3A2, the same model number. Voltage range is 220 to 240 volts and 50 Hz with a FIRCD test function. Well, let's open and see what we have inside and how we can work with that. And there it is. LCD test button. And of course we've got a manual inside. Huge manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. We're going to find out all about this product. Let's move on to the next. We've got the batteries included. Oh, and there it is. And of course we're going to find out, and the manual, if you want to read it, is your choice. Stay with me. We're going to find out all about this product. Okay, this is for a quick and reliable testing of mains power socket, cable drums, appliances cables and connection cables, clearly laid out display with a 3 LED status, correct wiring, missing interrupted earth, missing interrupted neutral, and missing interrupted phase, reversed live and earth with a FIRCD test function. Nice. And the second, it is for safe testing of AC voltage within cables, wall power sockets and fuse boxes. Non-contact measurement without interruption of the power circuit, also suitable for finding cable breaks and blown fuses. Testing with audio and visual signal, integrated torch with a LED light. Display for low level and automatically switch off function. Nice, and I think it's time to install and the batteries. And there's a light, just press this button and you've got light, green light, and off. Well, let's test it to see how it works. Okay, then we've got this cable. And that means it has power, visual and sound. Okay, great. And I can say, as I'm going closer, about 5 centimeters from the cable, it can sense that it has power. Well, let's test this. We've got 3 LEDs, correct, and RCD test. And that was the RCD test. As I pushed that, the power went off. Well, let's turn on the circuit breakers. And now we've got power again. Now, for those that they don't know what is the RCD, RCD is a residual current device. It is like saving device at your electric circuit breakers. It is designed to prevent you from getting an electric shock if you touch something live, such a cable that it doesn't have insulation, and sometimes it can provide some protection against electric fires. When I pushed this button, the RCD was turned off. That means we have tested and it's working. Of course, all the RCDs, they've got button at the unit and you can press it and you can check it if it's working. You can plug it in some other socket and again we can see everything is working perfect. On a multiple socket, and there we can see we've got a problem. One green light and one red. That means we've got a missing earth. Now I need to check the main socket, and that's how we will know if the problem it is in this multiple socket or in the main socket. There is the main socket, but here everything is okay. We've got 2 green lights. That means the problem is in the multiple sockets. That is very helpful. I need to replace it. Other socket that I can check here. And everything is okay, 2 green lights. You can check all the sockets at your home. And of course you can do that and with this voltage tester. From that side is green, from here it is red, that means from here is the power. And even here. And in some cases you can find the cables at the wall. It depends how much deep they are, the cable at the wall. Nice. And there is a box. Some other times I cannot find the cables at the wall because it is too deep. And here at my main circuit breakers, I am in that position. As much I'm going closer, it beeps faster and is flashing faster. Correct, we've got the power here. And even in my watch, we can check in here, it has power. At this multiple socket. Here is green, here is red. Green, red. Here is the neutral, here is the power. In other multiple socket, with the cables, here you can check on the cable. And here, green, red, red, green. Well guys, that was all about this testing of these two products. For me, thumbs up, they are great products, they are doing a great job. And until now, before I check my multiple socket, I didn't know that it's missing the earth. Now I know with this gadget that it costs only 6 euros and it is a life-saving. You can check if it's working your RCD and is working perfectly. Nice, thumbs up. And the same here, it costs 6 euros. I like this product, fits very well to my hand. Lighting, and you can check all the cables, everything, devices, multiple sockets, main circuit breakers, your main panel, whatever you want, whatever it has electricity. And if it doesn't have electricity, it will show you. And let's say you've got a huge length of cable, 50 meters, and it is not working, it's not bringing the power at the end. And somewhere it is broken, the cable inside. How you will test it? With this tester, definitely you will find until in which point it goes the power. You will find it, you can cut it and make the connection again and bring your cable alive and use it again. They are only cost 6 and 6 euros. Well, just buy it and have fun to your home. Test all your sockets and all your cables, why not? It is a great product. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.